Welcome back to the second part of the demonstration, where we will guide you through the claim capturing process. To begin, navigate to the top of the page and select the Claims tab. From the menu options, click Register Claim. On this screen, you will see the Event Type drop-down, where you can select the type of claim to be captured, either accident or disease. Below the drop-down is a list of in-progress workflows. These are claims that were started but not yet completed and can be searched for and reopened at any time. For this demonstration, we will capture a new accident claim. From the Event Type drop-down, select Accident. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm your selection by clicking the check icon. This action opens a wizard outlining the steps that must be completed. Click Continue to proceed. The first step is to confirm the contact details. In the Actions column, click the Edit icon to open the Contact Details page. Select the checkbox to confirm the information and click Save. Next is the Policy section. In this example, the member has two policies, EMP and CJP. Select the relevant policy to proceed. For this demonstration, we will capture a CJP claim. Complete the Incident Details form by filling in all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk, as shown on the screen. Once completed, click Save, then select Next. You will now be taken to the Employee Details page. Click the plus icon to add employee information. Complete all mandatory fields and click Save. Next, select the Contact Details tab. Click the plus icon, complete the required fields as demonstrated earlier, and click Save. Proceed to the Addresses tab. Click the plus icon to add address information. Complete the required fields. Select the checkbox to indicate the primary address. And if the postal address is the same as the physical address, confirm this by selecting the relevant checkbox. Click Save once complete. You will now need to complete the employment details. Select the Employment Details tab and complete all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Click Save when finished. The Injury section will now display. Click the ellipsis and select Add Injury Details. You will be taken to the Injury Checklist. Select all applicable options, then navigate to the Injury Details tab, complete the required fields, and click Save. Click Next to proceed to the Claim Requirements section. Any requirements highlighted in red indicate outstanding documents that still need to be uploaded. To upload a document, click the Upload icon in the Actions column next to the Outstanding requirement. On the Upload screen, click the Upload arrow. Select the relevant document from your computer and click the green arrow to upload. To add the first medical report, click the Upload icon. A window will open where you need to search for the healthcare provider. Once the information populates, select the appropriate provider by clicking the Select Hyperlink. This will open a form where you can complete the details and attach the medical report. You are able to proceed with capturing the claim, even if the first medical report is not yet available. The report can be uploaded later. When you return to the requirements screen, you will notice that the previously outstanding requirements are now highlighted in green, indicating successful upload. Click Next to continue. System validations will now run. In this example, all validations have passed successfully. Click Finish to complete the process. A confirmation message will display, confirming that the claim has been captured successfully, and displays the event number and the person event reference, also known as a claim number.